lost the Third Reich. Now I'm puffing on peace, riding my bike. From speeches to beaches, I made that shift. Now my only high ground's this spliff. No more blitzkrieg, just big trees, rolling blunts with the birds and bees. Mein Kampf, now mein chill, Rasta vibes over jackboot drills. I used to yell, now I hum bop tunes. Got a grill, grew herbs and moved to the dunes. Bunker turned studio, beats in the air. Now I drop dubs, not despair. No more blitzkrieg, just big trees, rolling blunts with the birds and bees. Mein Kampf, not mein chill, Rasta vibes over jackboot drills. Ganja in my teacup, flip-flops on, painting peace signs with the reggae brawn. You say furor, I say for real, I'm the dub dictator of the chill. From lead to bass, it's been a ride. Now it's one love on the Rasta side. Big mustache, even bigger heart, lighten up peace, one toke to start.